Hello mga Katibo fam! So for today's vlog, we will be sharing with you our experience at the Alpha Suites Hotel located at Makati City. And at the end of the video, we will be giving you our review of their room, amenities, and food. So watch till the end, guys! This hotel is located at Ayala Avenue, Corner Hill, Puyat, guys. Just a few minutes away lang, guys, dun sa mga big malls dito like Glorieta, SM, and also yung One Ayala. Meron din pala ditong 7-Eleven and Lawson, guys, kaya sure na makakabili kayo ng mga kailangan nyo sa room nyo. This hotel is managed and operated by Alpha Land, and ito ay isang 5-star service residence, guys. Na-excite nga ako, guys, kasi sabi ng friend ko yung owner daw ng Balisin sa Alpha Land din, kaya yan, tumaas yung expectation ko sa hotel na to. Later, papakita ko sa inyo anong meron dito. Ang kinuha pala naming room, guys, is yung 2-bedroom nila. Later, explore kayo ng dalawang chikiting ko dito. Guys, yung kinuha pala ng friends namin na room is yung 3-bedroom na room. Later, explore din natin yun. Pero ito muna 2-bedroom.
Hello guys! Today we are at Alpha Suites. Come on inside. So big. Let's start with the kitchen. Look at this, guys. Look at their super big chairs. Daddy, can I put it back? Okay, so then you eat here. Nom nom nom. And also you also can eat here. Nom nom. And just repeat that thing. Also, guys, look at this. It's so cool. That thing. There's a washing machine and a dryer. Also, there's a really big ref. Look at this. And I think this is wine or alcohol. And there's a... Oh. So cool. This is the biggest hotel we've ever went to. Also, there's this cabinet. Also, there's a microwave. As you can see, I don't know how to open one. Daddy, how do I open it? And there's also like a few more on top. And also, guys, there is a sink. There's a sink. You can wash, and there's also a cabinet where there's a trash can and like dish stuff, whatever. Oh, and there's also a oven where you can cook, and you're cooking whenever you're cooking. And also, guys, there's a coffee maker. That is this.
Espresso.
An espresso, I don't know what it's called. And also, there's like purified water that looks like wine, and utensils. And also, look, guys, like there's pans. Okay, guys, let's go here. Come on. Look, guys, look at this couch. There's even our own living room. Also, guys, there's a big hand and a remote and a tissue box. Okay, good night. Good night, guys. I'm gonna sleep now. Just kidding. And guys, look at this. It is the most beautiful thing. The view. I can't see my house. Okay, guys, look here. You can write anything here. Hello. Okay, you can also call here. And look at this. Okay, Daddy, can you bring it home? Here. You forgot here. Yeah, you can call people here. There's another bathroom. There are 3 bathrooms here. Okay, guys, the beautiful toilet and the sink. There's no bath here because like it's in the other rooms. Okay, guys, come on, let's go to the room. Look, guys, look how pretty it is. Come on, let's go see its bathroom. So like there's this thing. I thought it was a bathtub when I first saw it. And then, wait, is it? No, it isn't. So guys, then there's 2 sinks. So in case you want to wash with somebody, and then another poop before toilet where you can poop, and then a shower where you can shower. Come on, let's go to the other room. Okay guys, let's go to the second room. Look guys. So there's another place where you can write, but there's no TV here. Okay guys, here's the bathroom. There's a sink, and then a poop before toilet where you can pee, and another bath. Okay guys, that's the end of the room tour. Bye!
Guys, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung room namin. Sobrang cozy and sobrang high-end talaga nitong hotel na ito. Kumpleto rin guys sila sa appliances na mga kailangan nyo. Pili mo nasa bahay ka lang pag nag-stay ka dito kasi meron silang labahan, meron din silang mga lutuan dito. Ang maganda pa dun guys, sobrang mga high-tech lahat ng mga appliances nila dito. Dati napapanood ko lang sa mga movies tong mga getong mga bahay, pero ngayon, ayan, matry na ng Tibu Fam. While waiting for my friends na makadating dito sa hotel, ayan, explore muna natin itong hotel. Meron silang gym dito guys, sa mga mahilig mag-exercise, bagay na bagay kayo dito. Yung mga families and friends, maraming pwedeng gawin dito. Meron silang billiards, movie house, and meron din mga play area. So sobrang dami nga guys, hindi na namin matry yung mga iba dito. Pero syempre, ayan, pinapakita ko sa inyo. Inside this hotel guys, ang dami ding restaurant na pwede nyo pagpilian and meron din silang mga bar kung saan pwede kayo mag-hangout with your friends. After ko explore yung hotel, ayan, nagaya na yung family ko. Punta na rin kami sa 3-bedroom hotel ng mga kaibigan namin. Guys, kakatuwa. Sobrang happy talagang kasama itong mga kaibigan namin. Sobrang swerte talaga namin na makilala kami ng mga getong mga friends. Ayan, nagdadatingan na yung mga friends namin. Sigurado, sobrang magiging happy staycation na naman to. Maya-maya lang, ayan, nagaya na yung mga chikiting ko, mag-swim na daw kami. Alam nyo naman guys, basta may kasama kayong chikiting ang unang hahanapin nila pagpunta na sa hotel is yung mag-swimming. Tayo naman as a parent, ang kasiyahan lang naman natin is yung kasiyahan nila, kaya go na go tayo dyan. Guys, yung pool area pala located din sa 6th floor, nandito din yung spa nila and also yung play area. Guys, sobrang ganda dito sa kanilang pool area. Sobrang lawak guys. Feeling mo nasa resort ka. Yung baby tani ko naman, sabi niya maglalaro siya muna dito sa kanilang play area. Nainggit ata doon sa kanyang mga tito and tita na nagsiswing. Guys, sobrang nagustuhan ko itong swimming pool nila kasi marami silang mga area for your little ones. Alam niyo naman kasi tayo guys basta happy yung mga kids, mas happy tayo. Yung mga mahilig mag-Instagram dyan, ang dami nyo pwedeng pag-picturean dito. Sobra talagang Instagrammable tong lugar na ito. Guys, kwento ko lang pala. Yung friend ko na si Donnie yung nag-recommend itong lugar na to. Ito rin yung go-to place nila pag gusto nila mag-relax dito sa Metro Manila. Meron din nga pala silang YouTube channel. Subscribe kayo doon sa Ami Amazing. Guys, sobrang na-enjoy namin itong swimming pool area. Parang 3 hours ata kami nag-swim dito. Kung hindi lang ginutom yung mga kids, hindi yan magyaya umakyat na. Guys, this hotel pala also allow visitors. Up to 10 PM, pwede kayo magpapunta dito ng mga friends nyo kahit hindi sila nakabook dito. Sa sobrang lawak ng room guys, kahit 30 katao, kasyang-kasya dito. I think kami around 25 kami, nagkasya kami dito sa 3-bedroom na to. For dinner guys, nag-order lang pala kami ng mga food. Iba-ibang food yung in-order namin guys. Meron kaming pizza, donut, chicken, and also kung ano-ano pang mga menu. Kakatuwa lang, since nasa Makati siya, marami kayong pwedeng pag-orderan sa Grab. Nakakatuwa yung daughter ko na si Daphne, habang nagpe-pray kami siya, kumakain na. Guys, sobrang na-enjoy namin yung food. Ang hindi ko lang alam kung masarap ba talaga yung mga food na in-order namin or dahil kasama lang namin itong mga kaibigan namin. Naalala ko kasi guys, nung college pa kami, kahit maring lang yung food namin, sobrang saya pa rin namin kumakain. After eating dinner, ayan, nagluluto naman yung friend namin si Donnie ng pulutan namin na steak. So guys, our verdict, I'm going to rate this hotel a 5 out of 5 stars. This is really a hidden paradise in Makati, guys. First is yung food. Since nasa Makati kayo guys, ang dami nyo pwedeng bilan ng food sa Grab. And also meron din silang maraming restaurant dito. Na-shock na ako guys around 5 yung restaurant nila inside the hotel. Okay din yung breakfast nila guys, though hindi ganun kadami yung selection ng food nila unlike yung other hotel. Pero okay naman guys kasi may bacon. Next is yung room. Sobrang cozy and modern ng room nila. To tell you honestly, this is the best room na napuntahan ko so far. Inside their room, complete din sila ng mga appliances na kailangan nyo during your stay. For me, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga dito guys is yung view. Sobrang relaxing ng view dito guys, especially at night time. Sobrang liwanag kasi ng mga buildings na nakatapat sa iyo. Nagustuhan ko din pala guys yung quality ng bed nila. Na-relax ako kahit pagod na pagod ako sa pag-swim all day. Lastly, yung amenities, and this is the second reason why I highly recommend this hotel guys. Marami kayong pwedeng gawin dito as a family and also with your friends. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung resort type swimming pool area nila. Sobra siya na-enjoy ng mga chikiting namin and sure may enjoy din nyo as a family. Meron din sila dito gym, spa, basketball, table tennis, billiards, private movie screening at kung ano-ano pa. So guys, if you're planning to have a staycation at Makati, better check out the Alpa Suites. Highly recommended ko to guys. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye.